Hello everyone! I am back with another Louis Vuitton unboxing, and this time I got something from Nigo pre-spring collection, if I'm not mistaken, and this has been in my wish list. It has been sold out. I don't know how I got it. I actually put it on my notification that once this became available to be purchased, they will notify me. But surprisingly, I got a notification and I went ahead and purchased it. It's been sitting on my wish list. It is something that I've been wanting in such a long time, but I just could not really find the right color and the right pattern. But this one, I believe, is perfect. So anyway, let me show you what I've got. And are you guys ready to see this beautiful piece right here? Oh my gosh, I am so excited. This is actually one of my very first actual pieces from this collection. And wow, I am so excited. So anyway, here comes, wow. Oh my gosh. She is such a beauty. And I got, wow, she is stunningly beautiful. Wow. This is exactly what I wanted. And I know there is a lot of Keepall XS right there, but this is exactly what I was looking for. So that so you guys know that this is a mini version of a classic Keepall. So I got the Keepall photo right here. So this is the mini version of it. Wow, it is so tiny and it's so cute. So anyway, this is part of the pre-spring of 2022 collection of by Nigo. And wow. So this one has this beautiful monogram drip black and gray color pattern right here. As you guys could see, the pattern right here, it's like a wave, but looks like a wave, but it's actually called a drip. So it's like drip. I think it's dripping. That's what it means. So this one has the beautiful silver hardware as well. Wow, look at right there. It says right there Louis Vuitton right there on the silver hardware. And on this side right here, where it's actually connected to the torn handle, this one is made up of a smooth cowhide leather. It's really smooth, and the rest of it right here on this side is made up of a Tyrolean leather. So it is a combination of Tyrolean, this part, and it is a smooth cowhide leather. It is really soft. It is so supple. And I think that, wow, the combination is great. So if you are looking for a denim, a smooth cowhide leather, and their beautiful Tyrolean leather, yes, I think this is a perfect bag. And also, just so you guys know that this is actually, I think this is a part of the men's collection in the men's section. So as you guys can see right here, the silver hardware is perfect. It is so thick. Look at that. And also I am a little bit like, this is actually my very first time. I'm sorry that I have to scrutinize each part of it. And actually, the silver coating for this is actually very thick. It makes it look like it's made up of, yeah, it is really sturdy. And it's perfect. It is shiny. It's very smooth and clean plating right there. Wow, I'm surprised. And also on the other side as well. So gorgeous. So right here at the torn handle, there's two top handles right here. This one is made up of a smooth leather as well. Also the stitching is in black. I know that this one is also came in with the blue color, and I think the blue color, blue denim, has a yellow contrasting stitching. So I was thinking about that if this one has those, I'm not really sure if it would work out. But regardless, with what would be the stitching right here, because the blue one actually, you could literally see the drip. That's because of the contrasting stitching. But right here, well, you get the idea. You see it right there. It actually highlights the denim. So this is the only part that's made up of denim. And at the back as well, the same thing. Right there, the drip. It's very nice. We have the smooth leather. We have the Tyrolean leather as well on the side. On the other side as well. And also, the teeth is actually made up of silver, and the pull tab. The pull tab is really thick, and it feels sturdy. Oh wow, I am a little bit surprised. I think this is one of my I think this is my first time to actually see that hardware is so thick. They are all made up of really thick material though. And even the teeth right here, the pull tab, and everything is so thick. Wow. That just to show you that this particular item, I think that, yeah, this is going to be really sturdy. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, so let's open it so we'll be able to see inside. Right here, this is the opening of it. I wish that the corner, they tried to like extend the corner on the side so you could open it well, but I know that this one is made up of denim, so it's flexible, of course, right there. So it has a large opening right here. We have the strap as well. Let's talk about that later. And then this is how it looks inside. It is just like one compartment inside, one opening. There is no pockets at all on the inside. We have the product information right here if you are interested. It's M81010. And I think this one is retails for $2,500 US before tax. And I think this one is not I think this one is already $2,500, and I think right now, no, this one is not. They didn't increase the price for this, if I'm not mistaken. It's still $2,500. I know that. So anyway, this is how it looks on the inside, and we have, it says right there, LV made, Louis Vuitton, made in France. Wow, absolutely amazing. And the inside actually is made up of a textile lining. It is not soft, and it is a little rough though. So that is just the lining on the inside. I think it's just the generic lining. So that's how it looks. It is actually in black color. This one has a microchip, so there's no date code anymore. Going back to the strap. Oh, I forgot. Look at this. This is actually, I don't know what you guys think about this red heart right here, the red heart design right here. I know it is a men's collection, but I am not really sure. This heart right here, the heart print logo right here. For me personally, I love red. I love the heart, but I'm not sure if this one is everybody's cup of tea actually. So since this is for men's collection, I just really find it odd that they put the heart right there. So I think without a heart, but for me, I love it. I love it because it actually adds character of the bag, and also I think it's so cute. But for men, I am not sure. I'm not sure though if you're all right with the red heart print right here. But for me, I love it. It is so cute. But yeah, there might be some people out there that they may not like this. But yeah, this is how it looks. Louis Vuitton squared made. Okay, so we have a strap right here. So the strap is made up of a jacquard material. It says right there, Louis Vuitton, right there. It's kind of muted though. It is kind of muted, and you're not going to be able to see it. Like right now, I have my ring light on, so you will be able to see the Louis Vuitton, but without it, it's muted. You could barely read it. So anyway, this is a mixture of a jacquard fabric and also with the leather, and we have a silver hardware right here. And I'm not sure about the strap. That's because the strap is made up of a certain fabric. It's rough. It's not nylon. It's not shiny. It's not the same as the multi-pochette accessoire though. This one is a little rough for some reason. I prefer to get the nylon one for some reason. I don't know why. So this is how it looks right there. So let me just put this together right here to be able for me to be able to see how it looks. Oh my gosh, I totally love the hardware, guys. The hardware is amazing. I totally love the hardware. It looks very sturdy. Oh my gosh, look at that. So let me just see. So this is how it looks with the hardware. It is so beautiful. Like that. Look, totally love it. I love all the combinations. I love the gray. I love this Tyrolean leather. We have the cowhide leather. We have the heart. Oh wow, it just has a perfect of everything. Perfect amount of everything. It's so perfect. So this is how it looks at the bottom. And let me see if I could just carry it like this. It's so cute when you just carry it like this. I totally love it. I think it's so cute to carry, but I'm not sure. Like right now, that's what I was worried that maybe I could slip my arm right here. I don't think I can. I don't think I can. I really don't think I can. So I was just hoping that I could actually slip my wrist over here so I could, yeah, it is like very, very tiny though. But yeah, regardless, I totally love it. It is so beautiful. Wow. I'm gonna give you one more closer look of the pattern right here. The Louis Vuitton monogram pattern right here, which is in denim. Right there. This one is actually painted right here, the red heart print. Right here on the side, we have the Tyrolean leather. Right here, the grained leather, that is the Tyrolean, and this one is the smooth cowhide leather. Just totally love the combination of it. Really soft, really supple. So I have actually ordered an organizer. There's no way I will be using it without the organizer. The zipper, look at that. This one is so thick. Wow. It's not the smoothest though, but I can deal with that. Beautiful. This is absolutely, and also has a glazing right here. It is it has a little amount of glazing, so that's nothing to worry about. And the piping also in the smooth leather as well. Wow, I am falling in love with this. I know I have ordered the Virgil Abloh, the Tyrolean leather as well, which is in neon green, and I am still waiting for that. I'm not sure if I am going to continue with that order. I'm not sure if I could still wait. That's because it's been almost like, yeah, a little over a month, and I am still waiting for it. I don't know if I could wait for another month or so, but I know that that one is beautiful. I totally love the Virgil Abloh Tyrolean leather with the debossing of the monogram. It was beautiful. The leather for that is absolutely amazing. I know there is a lot of pre-orders that hasn't been fulfilled for that. I have a lot of patience though. But yeah, that's the thing with the pre-order is like you've already paid for it and you just can't wait to get that item as soon as possible, you know. So anyway, this is the latest addition in my collection. She is so beautiful. This is the Keepall XS, the mini version of the classic Keepall, and she is absolutely gorgeous. Oh gosh, the hardware, everything is perfect for this. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.